In this example, I will show you how to unload a component from an assembly. As you know, unloading a component means removing the document from the memory, including the reference of the instance. In this example, instead of using the icon, I will use the right-click method in order to show you there is no difference between both of them. Right-click Cube 1 and choose Components. Then select Unload. As you see, a list of the documents dialog box is displayed. Then click OK. You see now, all the instances are disappeared. That's because they use one reference, which is Cube Cat part. OK then. Now right-click any one and choose Components. Then click Load. As you see, all of them have come back. Now, bring up the second document. Right-click Crank Branch 3.1. Choose Components, then click Unload. List of the documents that will be unloaded comes along. Click OK. As you see, we have only one instance of Crank Branch 3, and it is unloaded now. Right-click Crank Branch 3.1 and choose Components. Then select Load. We have seen how to load and unload the components. The loaded components are always represented in the form of part number and then the instance name, while if it is not loaded in the memory, then it comes in the form of instance name and then the name of the document. Now, let's see the effects of the part number confliction. First, let's unload Crank Screw 1. Right-click it and choose Components. Then click Unload. As you see, list of the documents that will be unloaded comes along. Click OK. You see now, Crank Screw 1 has disappeared from the geometry space. Let's insert another cat part that having a similar part number, but the contents are not 100% similar to Crank Screw 1. Highlight the main product. Click Existing Component icon. Select Crank Screw 2. Now, let's load Crank Screw 1. Then, right-click it and choose Components. Then click Load. As you see, part number conflicts panel displayed, showing confliction between Crank Screw 1 and 2. You see, this time, the OK button is grayed out, because the second instance of Crank Screw is already been inserted in the CAT product. Now we need to rename one of them. Then select any one. Then click the Rename button. The part number window is displayed. Then let's give it a name of S1. Then click OK. As you see, it is renamed to S1. Then click OK. You see now, the conflict is resolved.